What's up, South Jersey? I'm out here in Hopewell checking out the new location for Pop's Chicken Box. You'll know you're at the right spot if you see the big chicken out front. And I've tried their location in Bridgeton, but they recently opened this spot in Hopewell, so I gotta make sure that chicken is on point like the other location. It's very nice inside. Everything is set up for Valentine's Day still, and all the staff is very friendly. The chicken was so delicious, crispy on the outside and so juicy on the inside. You know, you gotta get that sauce all over it. I'm about to dig into this right now. It's so good. Honestly, what isn't there to love about a fat, crispy, juicy piece of chicken like this? Look at the way the juice just drips out of it when you squeeze it. Man, that was some juicy chicken. So come on and check out the Hopewell location for Pop's Chicken Box. Be a schnitzel. Like, follow, and share for more South Jersey schnitz.